So I'm packing today because in a week's time I'm going to LA, and I thought today I could do, I don't know, like an impromptu video of me being like, let's pack, let's chat. Yeah, I am gonna just be packing for my trip to LA. I'm going for 5 weeks. This time I'm taking a suitcase instead of my normal backpack, so I'll be able to take some more stuff there, which I normally pack pretty minimal, and you can like see my videos about that on my channel. But I think this time, because I actually have the ability to have luggage, I'm gonna actually use it. I guess Floyd's gonna help me pack. Yeah. I also thought this could be just like a little impromptu, like, get to know me a little bit more scenario, because thankfully I've got a few more subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing, and I just, you know, thought you might want to know a little bit more about me instead of just, you know, traveling in dog muns and overalls. Alright, it's okay, Floyd. Obviously Sour Patch Kids are like a must have for traveling. I think my mum just got me this. I think I'm probably gonna take some like Australian food over. Basically, I'm staying with my friends that I met at Coachella a couple of years ago. It's just been our 2nd friendship anniversary, so yeah, I might take some Australian food for them to try, because, you know, they're used to the American stuff. Yeah, what else should I pack? I think I'm definitely taking these pants. I think actually the first thing I need to figure out is what I'm going to wear on the plane, because then what you're wearing on the plane means you don't have to pack it. Hopefully the suitcase isn't too heavy. I've been known for having it way too heavy. Even when I have my backpack, I always end up having it like 14 kilos and the limit's like 7. But there's a lot of little tricky things you can do to just kind of get away with it. Right now I've just been saving the Jetstar tag from like a couple of trips ago. A little bit about me. I am Australian, if you can tell by my accent. Actually, I'm originally from New Zealand, so I have a hint of New Zealand twang. And yeah, I just moved here with my family, and then I went to school here, and then went to university eventually, and then I spent like a whole year of like saving money, and then I traveled. I just kind of spend all my money on travel, so if you're thinking that I'm just like some rich bitch, no. I just spend every cent on travel. I think I literally have $100 in my account, and I'm leaving next week, so that's fun. Definitely taking these party pants. The cool thing is that like they're reversible. So ta-da, black and white undercover party right here. I think I'll probably wear these at the airport because comfort is key, my friends. I think I'll probably take this top that I'm wearing. Do you think I need a jacket? Should I take this shirt? It's pretty unflattering, but so that shirt, so maybe I got these ones or these ones. Maybe, I think I'm gonna have to like try them on. Denim is like a must-have, I swear to God. Yeah, these shorts are pretty cool. They do like this weird thing where they go up my butt. This is why I'm packing so far in advance, because I need time to decide. I'm like super indecisive. You're probably wondering like what I'm doing there. I'm just gonna like hang at my friend's house, just work on some edits for you guys and walk their dog, you know. I'll just be chilling. What am I gonna take? Maybe I'll take these shorts. Feels like I'm just like wearing pajamas. That's like the criteria. If I'm like feel like I'm wearing pajamas, then it's going in the bag. Okay, I'm definitely taking my yaks because, you know, the perfection. Maybe I could just take these and then wear them every day. I think I'd be fine with that. You'll start to realize real quick that I don't really have many clothes. I used to have way less, but recently I've got some more because I work at this cool store. Pro tip is, you probably heard this before, but to pack, you want to roll your shirts, but right now I'm just gonna kind of chuck it in and then pack it properly later. Definitely taking these dresses. It doesn't get crinkly and it's light and pretty. You dress it up, dress it down. You know the drill. What else would people want to know about me? It's my birthday soon. I'm gonna spend my birthday in LA. Comment below to guess how old I am. Maybe I'll take these if I want to like look like a normal human being. And maybe I'll take some skinny jeans. Oh, I need to take my hat. This is like the standard JENN hat. It's like super faded now though, but it's my only hat. Because I'm not a hat person, I'm very attached to this one that looks semi-okay on me, so. Alright, I'm kind of getting hungry. I feel like whoa. There's a freaking huge cricket like this big on my window. Australia is terrifying. That is why I'm leaving. Okay, I feel like this jacket is a maybe. It might be too hot. I don't think this is a good idea, but if I'm just wearing a dress or something, damn it, I feel like I'm packing way too much. Do I take the black and white one or do I take the red one? I like basically the same dress. Also, let me know in the comments if you know of any like cool Australian food I could take, because I'm kind of stumped. I'm also a bit annoying, sorry. I don't want to be that annoying vegan, but I'm vegan, so I need to get Australian snacks that are also vegan, which is proving to be kind of hard. I know what's going to happen is I'm going to take all these clothes, right? But then I'm just going to be sitting in the house all day and I'm going to be in my pajamas. Maybe overalls are better than shorts. Maybe denim shorts can be thrown out. I could wear one of them on the plane. Okay. The most important and easiest thing I can choose first is shoes. Go-tos is these ones here because they pretty much go with everything. I think I'll take these ones here because they are bad ass. Except, the problem being, I have to pack them both in my bag and they might be heavy. I haven't really worn tight pants in a while. I feel so, I don't know, claustrophobic or something. It's gonna be weird when I go back through my photos like in, I don't know, like 5 years time and I'm like, wow, you wore those wide pants all the time? Fashion faux pas. Does anyone else do this when you're packing? You're just like trying on a bunch of different clothes? Because that's me. I feel like these are probably definite. Do I take these? Probably will. Do I take the overall dress? Actually, I know what I'll get. I'll get my socks out. This is my sock drawer. These are going, I am a big fan of color block socks right now. These have like a smiley face. So, stripy socks, yes. Dotty socks, probably. Banana socks, probably. Should I take avocado socks or watermelon socks? That's a fun fact about me. I really freaking hate watermelon, and I'm sorry if you need to unsubscribe because you don't agree with my views, but I hate watermelon. It looks so delicious and then I eat it and I'm like, no thank you. My mum got out my PSP thinking I might want to use it on the plane. I totally would play Tony Hawk like the whole time on the plane, but I like opened it up and the battery had expanded, so I love the skirt, but it's like freaking short. Very 70s, but very short. Marvin! Okay, Marty's here to help now. Are you gonna be a good help? You're gonna have to lay on the floor because we got a freaking suitcase up there. Chloe was there first. Should I take this skirt? I think I'm gonna take these overalls because iconic. My friends have only seen me really only wear these 24/7 and they won't recognize me if I don't wear these. This here is like my pile of band tees and stuff. Wolf Mother top, no. Splendor top, this is my new Splendor top. Gonna put that in maybe pile. It's pretty awesome, but what does it go with? That could be a maybe. But maybe I'll just wear this one all the time. Feel bad if I say no to the block party top. No? Cool, you're totally learning a lot about me right now. Not really. It's kind of like those interviews, like a group interview. You're sitting there, you're like trying to say something about yourself, but you don't want to say too much. I'm just your normal, average Australian who finds it hard to talk about themselves. You always, pro tip, have to take swimwear every single place that you go, even if you think you're not gonna swim, you never know. There might be a spa, there might be a pool, who knows? So I've been trying to work out what kind of videos I should make. I'm still going to be making travel ones because obviously I'm traveling a bit. I will do a few things in LA. Let me know in the comments if there's anything in LA I should do. Like, been a couple of times, but I just keep going to the same places all the time. And there might be things that I'm missing that I need to see. Yeah, I'm just trying to work out what videos to make recently because I have a lot of stuff to edit. Just so much. I think I have a year's worth of content already sorted. I have so many videos from when I was traveling a few years ago. I think I'm gonna make that into a series called like Throwback Thursday or something. I just like looking back at some of the memories. I think this is really what this channel is, just like looking back at these moments. I want to do a couple more fashion-y videos if you like it. If not, scrap that. Scrap it. Yeah, and then like recent travel, and then maybe things that are more informative. Things like how to, you know, travel. I don't know. Informative things. What do you need to know, everybody? I started watching like the new Chris Lilly thing last night. Can't remember what it's called. What is it? I started watching it, but I think I'm going to continue watching it with my friends in America because it really has some good Australian lingo in there. So it's very educational. I think I'll take this stripy top. Oh my god, I haven't even packed scrunchies. Which ones? I have way too many scrunchies. This isn't even the half of it. I feel like I would be upset if I didn't take these. Because you don't just want to go to LA and dress boring. Okay, how many pairs of pants do I have? Way too many. I also have to somehow fit presents. I feel like I need to take this top purely because LA. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop this video right now, but I think I'm pretty much on the way of being packed. This is my bag so far, obviously not folded or anything, but I think I'm pretty much getting there with the packing. Floyd's been a big help, haven't you, Floyd? Oh. Let me know in the comments if there's something I'm forgetting. Is there something I need to take that I haven't thought of yet? Will it be hot? Will it be cold? Is there anyone watching from LA? Can you tell me? Yeah, I have been Jen, and until next time, keep wondering, why am I going like this? Ugh.